This is the part C of this video. So today I'm going to be looking at limits. It's just same thing. Okay, let's say for example you want to change this. Let's say we are not using BTC, we want to use Ethereum. You just come over to the search bar and you click on Ethereum. Okay, so this cross, remember, as a newbie always use isolated. This 20x, as a newbie I would advise you should use from 3x. Okay, all right, you just click on accelerated, you click on the leverage you want. As a newbie, please, you're advised to use from 5 to 3x. Okay, when you reduce it, you click on, remember, the single asset mode, you tap on it, you come to the market and you change it to what limit. Okay, so you set your price where you want it to be. So now, since Ethereum is at current price is 622,62662, so you can just if you want to buy at the dip, you can just reduce it. Okay, so maybe 25 something or 265. Just, you know where you want to target from. Okay, then you put your amount here. Then if you want to long, you press on, almost same thing as what I've taught earlier. Once you are done with that, it gives you the position over here, and that's all. Then you go and change your SL and your TP, you set them. So that is it. Very easy, very easy. There's nothing difficult apart from Ethereum. You can go for RSTP, you can go for Light. So if you can't find any coin here, all you have to do, just type it over here. So there's nothing difficult. There's absolutely nothing difficult here. Follow same procedure. Okay, all right, thanks, and please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Telegram for further updates. Bye. So this is actually how my Telegram looks like. BK TV, that's what you are going to see. Please, if you don't see something like this, know that it's scam. Okay, so don't be, just it, enter it, and I'm going to be dropping some tips. Okay, all right, thanks.